In this video, I will be giving a detailed review of the Orange Holiday eSIM, including its pros and cons, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your travels. Orange Holiday eSIM offers coverage in over 100 countries, making it a reliable option for international travelers. Orange provides a variety of plans, including local plans, regional plans, and global plans. You can also select specific countries based on your travel destination and customize your plan accordingly. The eSIM allows mobile hotspot functionality, enabling you to share your data with other devices like laptops and tablets, a major plus for digital nomads and frequent travelers. It also has some drawbacks, like the Orange app does not display data usage and does not send data usage notifications. This can be inconvenient if you need to monitor your data consumption closely while traveling. Some users have reported slow response times and difficulty resolving problems with Orange customer support. The pricing can be higher compared to other eSIM options. For example, for the UK, you might pay around €50 for 100 GB of data. Not the worst, but also not the most budget friendly. So, in conclusion, the Orange Holiday eSIM is a solid choice for travelers who want a reliable and easy to activate connectivity across multiple countries. Its wide range and straightforward activation are major advantages. However, the lack of detailed app features and customer support challenges are things to keep in mind before purchasing. So, that's it for the review today. If this review helps, like, share, and subscribe.